Let's dive into the heart of Visp, the ticket system. This powerful tool helps you manage and track every aspect of your customer interactions. To create a new ticket, simply click the plus icon in the top right corner and select Open Ticket. You can also add a ticket directly from a subscriber's profile. When creating a ticket, pay attention to these key fields. Priority. Set the urgency of the ticket. Assignee. Assign the ticket to a specific technician. Followers. Add additional team members who need to be kept informed. Ticket type. Select a predefined template for common ticket types. Subscriber. Link the ticket to the appropriate customer. Service contact. Specify the address where the work needs to be done. Summary and description. Provide a clear and concise description of the issue. Tasks and attachments. Add any necessary tasks or files. To schedule a ticket, simply set a due date and time. Visp will automatically add the ticket to your calendar. The ticket activity log provides a detailed history of all actions taken on the ticket. This includes updates, comments, and changes to the ticket status. Use the messaging feature to communicate with customers and team members directly within the ticket. This helps keep everyone informed and ensures timely resolution. By effectively using Visp's ticket system, you can streamline your workflows, improve customer satisfaction, and increase overall efficiency.